told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Okay, ito signage. Hindi kasi kaya sa platter kaya may nanuha ng pagkating. Pero may pattern naman. Babatak ng panaklik. Para yung panibagong trabaho. Kaya naman, di ba James? Kaya, kunting practice pa. Okay. Teka na ito. Ito matakot. Oh. Pag nadaanan na ng papel yan, ibig sabihin, malalim-lalim na yan. Di ba? Yan, ganyang pagtrabaho. Yan. Yan. Ibig sabihin, pag nahiwa na yung papel, hiwa na rin yung sticker.
You look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Okay, tapos na. Yan ang finished product kanina. Yan mga tagagawa ng signage dito. Okay, basta huwag yung ano, okay lang yan, matuto. Basta wag lang punitin. Panibagong mga ano yan, mga artist. Kaya mga henerasyon. Kasama si Ronald dyan. Artistahin. Dapat matalas yung ano, blade para hindi, pag mapuro lang blade, masisira. panibagong ano na naman tayo. Kulay blue. Entrance.